Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Christian and I'm starting this because I am passionate about personal finance. I'm passionate about how the market moves, why the market moves, why certain stocks are hot, why certain stocks are just falling off the face of the earth. And guess what else I'm passionate about? I'm passionate about politics. I'll keep this as apolitical as possible, obviously. But there are things in politics that move the market. And because we care about money and we care about making our money work for us and make more money, we're going to be invested in a little bit of politics. So I'm going to be covering things like the stimulus, hot stocks, ways to make your money work for you, the benefits of owning a home versus renting, benefits of traditional retirement accounts versus Roth retirement accounts, IRAs, all these awesome things that we have in place that almost all of us have availability to use or access. And these things can make us super wealthy. But just as a disclaimer, I am not by any means a financial expert. You do not have to take my advice. These videos are meant for fun and to engage and ultimately to learn, because I think when you learn, you're going to be more invested kind of in your money and where your assets are and all that stuff. And if you're anything like me, you want to grow your personal wealth. You want to be a millionaire net assets by age 28, 30, like that would be awesome. So my background, my day job is in analytics. So I love numbers. I'm going to be thinking more about this, actually not so much from a numbers perspective, but from a consumer side. What does the consumer want? Where do we see trends going just as an individual over the next, 5-10 years? Where do we want to put our money? This is not going to be a day trading channel. Although we may dabble in some hot stocks and, every once in a while throw our money at it. But I think that this is going to be primarily focused for the, 1 to 40 year investor. Okay. So with that being said, guys, I am so happy you're here. I hope you stick around. And after every video, we're going to have a fun fact. Okay. That today in history, in 1969, okay, it was Wikipedia, so, they say don't trust the sources. Lyndon B. Johnson signed the Medicare bill into law. So that's a pretty big deal, and it's relevant to things we're talking about. So, hey, you learned something. You're going to learn something every day here. So be active in the comments, subscribe, stick around. I'm excited to be on this journey with you guys, and hopefully we can make a lot of money together.